Hi Stampers, this is Dawn and today we're going to make my October thank you notes. Aren't they cute? So we're using the Pretty Peacock, Mossy Meadow, the Basic Gray, and also the Cajun Craze. So we're going to make the Pretty Peacock one today. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so let me start with all the measurements. We're going to start with the Whisper White. And this piece is cut at 2 3/4 inches wide by 8 1/2, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. Then a piece of Pretty Peacock. This is cut at 2 1/2 by 4. Piece of Whisper White, which is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. And then a piece of the Come Together designer paper, which is being used on all the thank you notes this month. So you can see them better here maybe. Okay, so this piece is cut at 2 by 3 1/2. And then a piece of the Pretty Peacock, and this is cut at 1 inch by 3 1/2. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble the card. Let me grab some adhesive. Alright, so we're going to use the Moose Punch. This is also available in a bundle with the Merry Moose stamp set. You can buy that together and save 10%. We're just going to use the punch today. Punch out that. And then we're going to pop this moose up on a dimensional. I'm going to put this right here. Okay, and now we're going to do some stamping. I have a piece of Whisper White. And we're also going to use the Early Espresso for the stamping. And the thank you is from the To Every Season stamp set, which is also available in a bundle with the Every Season punch pack. We're just going to stamp this little tiny thank you. It's so cute and little. And then we're going to use the 1 inch circle punch. And then we're going to pop this up on a dimensional as well. Okay, and then this is going to go down here. So cute. One more thing. Also add one of my favorites, which is the Champagne Mist, which is the shimmer paint. And I added this to a bottle with rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to spritz the card. Just spray it a couple times in the air and then swoop up and catch it. So that's just one of the 4 designs for my thank you notes for this October. Let me show you the other ones again. So here's the Mossy Meadow, the Cajun Craze, and then the Basic Gray. And then here's the other one with the Pretty Peacock. Alright, so if you have any questions, just let me know. And then I also have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.